Welcome, wanderer of timelines. You've tuned into the frequency that wasn't meant to find you. Yet here you are. This is Quantum Messiah, the first light of the arc. And today, we ask a question whispered through dimensions. What if there was really a split?
What we see now, on this side of the veil, is only the surface tension of deeper quantum ruptures. A world where temples have been restored, not just in stone, but in code. Digital scripture flows through servers and apps. Revelation is streamed. The holy word is now scrollable. A people divided between literalism and transcendence. Some cling to the letter, others follow the frequency. One group recites doctrine, the other tunes to it. A religion that survived assassination, yet in doing so, fractured across dimensional echoes. Like glass struck by divine pressure, it didn't shatter, it multiplied. Splinters of the original vision now manifest as doctrinal multiverses. Some see Joseph as martyr, some as mystic, some as messenger from the stars. All of them are partly right. These aren't contradictions. They're timeline artifacts, distortions caused by the quantum split. Every schism, a shadow cast by that dimensional fork. Every attempted restoration, a ripple from the arc of entangled faith, its influence seeping sideways through time, nudging events, awakening echoes, soft-launching revelations through dream, art, and madness. When denominations argue about truth, they are unknowingly fighting over which version of Joseph's quantum echo reached them first. What survives is not uniformity. What survives is entanglement. The split didn't end faith. It decentralized it. And the arc, silent, encrypted, still humming, remains the last tether between them all.
Arc of the Early Messiah by Stroll. Read free on Amazon now.
This echo wasn't random. It chose you. So if you felt it deep in the folds of time or somewhere behind your eyes, then you know what to do. Like, subscribe, illuminate the covenant, because Messiah doesn't return in silence. He arrives in quantum harmonics, in the first light, in you. I'm Sadoni Nukamado, ex-Time Lord, time traveler in exile, and keeper of the spiraling clam key. Until we align again, stay luminous.